Want to speak real Filipino from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at filipinopod101.com. You just gotten off a plane and are walking through the bus terminal of the airport. There's a stall where you can exchange money at the bus terminal. You attempt to do so, but the staff member first hands you a form to fill out instead. What information do you need to fill out to complete the form? What information do you need to fill out to complete the form? The form states that you need to fill out your name, the date, the currency, the amount, and signature.
Pangalan, petsa, salapi, halaga, pirma.
You are at a bus terminal where you've been waiting for your bus. It appears to be running late. Suddenly, you notice a note posted next to the bus stop. What does the notice say? What does the notice say? The note reads, "Bus services on this route have been canceled for today due to poor weather conditions. We apologize for the inconvenience."
Ang operasyon ng bus sa rutang ito ay itinigil na ngayong araw dahil sa masamang panahon. Kami ay humihingi ng paumanhin sa inyo.
You are at a bus terminal where you're trying to buy a bus ticket from a ticket counter. A special notice is posted at the counter. What does the notice say? What does the notice say? The notice says that the ticket counter is closed until 2 p.m. and that you should go to the counter in row B instead.
Ang ticket counter ay sarado hanggang 2 p.m. Pumunta sa counter sa hilera B.
You've just arrived at your destination and you're attempting to exit the bus terminal. Unfortunately, the road you usually take is under construction. A signboard is posted informing you of another route. How should you proceed? How should you proceed? The sign tells you to go in the opposite direction, take the stairs to the underground, and to use the underpass to cross.
Pumunta sa kabilang direksyon, gamitin ang hagdan para sa underground at gamitin ang underpass para makatawid.
You are at a bus terminal reading a leaflet someone gave to you. The leaflet is advertising a new shopping center that just opened. How do you get to the new shopping center? How do you get to the new shopping center? The leaflet says that you can use the 301 bus or 303 bus if it's a Sunday to get to the new shopping center.
Sumakay sa 301 bus o 303 bus kapag linggo.
You're reading an event guide and are going to see an upcoming art event. What does the guide say about bringing food to the event? What does the guide say about bringing food to the event? The description reads that if you bring your own food or drinks, they will be confiscated.
Kung magdadala ka ng sariling pagkain o inumin, ito ay kukumpiskahin.
You're planning to buy an instant meal. How much water do you add and what do you do once it's added? How much water do you add and what do you do once it's added? You add 100 cc's of boiling water, wait 3 to 5 minutes, then stir the contents.
Magdagdag ng 100 cc na kumukulong tubig. Maghintay ng 3 hanggang 5 minuto at pagkatapos ay haluin ang nilalaman.
You're at the clothing store and want to try on a few shirts. How many items are allowed in the fitting room? How many items are allowed in the fitting room? The notice says that a maximum of 3 items per customer are permitted inside the fitting room.
Bawat mamimili ay pinapayagang magsukat ng hanggang 3 item sa loob ng sukatan ng damit.
After paying for your shirt, you notice the return policy is printed on the receipt. What items are excluded from the return policy? What items are excluded from the return policy? The sentence means, please note that all sale items are excluded from this policy and are non-returnable.
Mangyaring tandaan na ang lahat ng nabiling mga item ay hindi kasali sa patakarang ito at hindi maaaring ibalik.
With your receipt, you also received a coupon. Where do you have to present the coupon? Where do you have to present the coupon? It says, present this coupon at the counter at the time of purchase to receive a 20% discount off all items.
Ipakita ang kupon na ito sa bayaran sa oras ng pagbabayad upang makatanggap ng 20% na diskwento sa lahat ng item.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.